What is up? This is Shane, the Rising Grand Picker, and today we are going to go, I am a six-figure clothing seller on eBay, and we are going to go source clothing at Plato's Closet, and this is the first time ever we got insider information from an employee that this is the first time ever they've ever done a bag sale, and it's it's basically you get a bag and you fill it and whatever, it's like $25 a bag. And it's spread out through all the items, so you can get as many items in there as you can, and some of them may be cheaper than a thrift store, but we are going to go rob them legally today, so let's go. Also, before we get into this, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Let's go and get our buy on. All right, we're here. And we are going to, it's a bag sale, so. Oakley. So this is a bag sale, and I'm just telling you, like, so I got someone rolling things up and putting them in bags. It's $25 a bag, and we are rolling it all up and putting them in there. Probably have over 100 pieces right now. So what I'm going to do is show you all the receipts and break it down to you. Society shirt. This is like an American Fighter shirt. We're gonna take this one. I'm looking at Under Armour heat gear. Pretty much all heat gear I'm picking up unless it has stains. So if it has stains, I'm not picking it up. That one has stains. That's some heat gear. It's a collared shirt, collegiate, picking it up. Oh, we got a Nike tee that is, this might be a sample. I'm getting this one. This is all messed up. It's like, before they changed the logo. This is a good one. So this is literally my receipt. I'm wearing my receipt right now. I didn't want to show any more in store. I got the payment was $133.75. Okay, the savings was over $1,600, and there's 140 items in this bundle. 140 items. Let me get out here. In this haul right here, 140 items. I got anywhere from Nike, Under Armour, Adidas, Polo, some special edition stuff, a bunch of Travis Matthew polos. I killed it. This was a killer deal. You got to get out the Plato's Closet before they open, and you got to do it a specific way. You got to roll your stuff up, okay? Listen to me. It's hot out here. I want to get this up so you can get to Plato's Closet today and save some money on clothing, because I'm going to flip all these on eBay and I'm probably going to make about $2 grand. So this is what you want to do. Okay. They're going to give you a bag. Okay, it's not this bag. They're going to give you another bag. It's a smaller one. You want to take all this clothing, okay? You want to take it all. And what you want to do, look at this, tag of 12 bucks. It was like 60 cents. You want to roll it up really good. Roll it really tight, and then you put it in the bag. That's how you get all this stuff. I have 3 receipts totaling $3,000. It's probably going to be 300 or more items, and this is like the first haul right here. I have 2 more hauls after this one. So what you want to do is you want to roll this stuff up, okay, in the bag really small, and it is $25 a bag, so you got to fit at least 25 items or more in the bag to make it worth it. We were fitting 35 to 40 items in each bag, getting in for less than $1 each, which is cheaper than the garage sale. It's cheaper than Walmart. It is cheaper than anywhere. It is cheaper than anywhere. This is ultimate eBay sourcing. This is like the bang for your buck. I got a bunch of special edition Nike tees. Like literally, I'm gonna sell probably 10 items and it'll pay for all, for everything, literally.